again, welcome back to my channel, The Ninja Traders. If you're new, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're returning, hi again. I'm Tina. I am going to be going over some dividend stocks that will pay you every single month, so you have passive income that you can rely on every single month. So I've talked about this stock in previous videos. It is Realty Income, or ticker symbol O. It's also nicknamed the monthly dividend company because they pay their dividends every single month, which is absolutely amazing. Right now, it's currently priced at $68.14. The dividend yield is 4.23%, and it pays about 23 cents per share. So if you want to get paid in dividends every single month, just invest in this stock. And with that said, that's the end of this video. See you later. Oh, you're still here. Oh, you want more? Okay, well, I can do that. So these other stocks I'm gonna go into don't pay every single month, but they do pay every single quarter. Let's divide the year into quarters and the quarters into months. These stocks I'm going to go over, the first two are going to be for the months of December, March, June, and September. The first one is going to be Pepsi, or ticker symbol PEP. I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with the beverage and soft drink company that is a global phenomenon, has been featured and has had talent at the Super Bowl such as Beyonce and Britney Spears. So right now, Pepsi is currently trading at $146 with a dividend yield of 2.96%. It pays a little over $1 per quarter. So every single December, March, June, and September, you'll be making about $1 for every share that you own of Pepsi. And the second stock that pays out every December, March, June, and September is Home Depot. Right now, Home Depot is priced at about $307 per share. The dividend yield is 2.18%, and it pays about $1.65 every single quarter per share that you own. A lot of people have found a hobby in home renovations, so Home Depot is one of those places that they like to go to in order to buy their materials and get some helpful information from the employees in order to do these side projects. Oh no, it looks like that like button is a little lonely. You should probably go and give it some attention.
I get lonely.
I'll wait.
10 seconds later.
Thanks. Now for the months of January, April, July, and October, the two stocks I'm going to go over that pay for these quarters are going to be AT&T, or ticker symbol T, and Campbell Soup, ticker symbol CPB. A lot of you, I'm sure, are familiar with the communications company who also has a foot in the door with media. With HBO Max, they are a stock that you can rely on, who has an impressive dividend yield of 7.24%. This stock is very appealing to a lot of investors because of this really large dividend yield. AT&T currently pays about 52 cents every quarter per share that you own. Now going to Campbell Soup. If you've ever been sick, I'm sure a lot of you have gone to the soup staple Campbell's for their chicken noodle soup to try to get over the common cold or a flu. Right now, Campbell's company is trading at $45.55. They have a dividend yield of $3.25%, as well as paying about 37 cents per share. Now this is every January, April, July, and October. So if you notice a pattern, the stocks I'm talking about are going to be paying every 3 months, 4 months total for the year. For the months of February, May, August, and November, we have the company Johnson & Johnson, or ticker symbol J&J, as well as the tech mogul Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. A lot of you may be familiar with Johnson & Johnson's products such as Neutrogena, Band-Aids, Tylenol. Johnson & Johnson is a company that caters to its consumers. I recommend that you invest in the products that you use on a regular basis or consume on a regular basis. Right now, Johnson & Johnson is currently priced at $163.73. Their dividend yield is about 2.62%, and they're paying a little over $1 per share every single quarter. Going on to Apple. Apple is a technology company that is developing their hardware and their software in order to make the best user experience for their consumers. Right now, Apple's share price is around $131.95. They did recently go through a 4-to-1 split. It was priced higher back in 2020, but because of the split, the price has dropped down about a fourth of its original price. This also affects its dividends. The dividend payout right now is about 68 cents, which is about a quarter of what it originally was before the 4-to-1 split. So if you own a share of Apple, which because of the split is a lot easier to buy a share now, you will be getting paid about 20 cents per share that you own. Alright, so we've gone through some stocks that you can buy and invest in to get paid in passive income through dividends for every single month of the year. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a like, comment down below for any other ideas that you may want me to go over for future videos. And thank you so much for being a part of this community and this channel. I appreciate every single one of you, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one. Bye!